Hello, and welcome. Right now, at this moment, you are creating your life experience. The thoughts, emotions, and beliefs you entertain every day are shaping the world around you. Every single thing that exists in your life has been brought to you by your focus. The people, the circumstances, the opportunities, and yes, even the challenges you face, these are all a result of where you've placed your attention. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have everything come easy to them while others struggle? It's not luck or chance. It's the focus. The ones who seem to effortlessly attract success, happiness, and abundance are the ones who understand that their attention is their greatest power. They know how to direct their focus toward what they want, and in doing so, they draw those things into their lives. You see, what you focus on expands. It's a universal law. When you give your attention to a thought, a belief, or a desire, you are sending out a signal into the universe that attracts similar energies back to you. If you focus on lack, on what's wrong, or on fear, that is exactly what you will continue to manifest in your life. On the other hand, when you focus on abundance, on the possibilities before you, and on the things that bring you joy, you start to see more of those things come into your experience. This isn't just some abstract idea, this is a very real process that's happening right now. Your mind is like a magnet, attracting what it is aligned with. If you focus on thoughts of success, you attract success. If your thoughts are filled with positivity and gratitude, those are the very experiences that will start to fill your life. But the truth is, this isn't always easy. Our minds are often cluttered with doubts, fears, and distractions. We get so caught up in what we don't want or in what's not working that we forget to focus on what we do want. The key is to train your mind to focus on what you desire, even when everything around you seems to say otherwise. This is where the magic happens. Think about it for a moment. Every time you think about a problem or a challenge, you're giving it more energy. You're feeding it with your attention, and as a result, it grows. But when you shift your focus to the solution, to the positive outcome, you begin to attract exactly that. The solution is always there, waiting for you to focus on it. The universe will always align with the energy you put out. It's important to realize that your focus doesn't just mean thinking about something in passing. True focus involves deep attention, feeling, and belief. It's not just about wishing for something to happen, it's about aligning your emotions and actions with that desire. When you truly believe something is possible for you, when you focus your thoughts and energy on it consistently, it becomes a reality. Now, let's talk about how to shift your focus when you feel stuck or overwhelmed. The first step is awareness. You have to catch yourself in the act of thinking about things you don't want. The moment you notice your thoughts drifting toward negativity or fear, gently shift your focus. Ask yourself, what do I want instead? How would I prefer to feel? What would I like to experience? Then, consciously choose to focus on that. This is a practice that requires patience and consistency. Our minds are often conditioned to focus on problems and challenges, but by training ourselves to refocus, we can change the entire trajectory of our lives. It's not about ignoring what's happening around you, it's about choosing where to direct your energy. In order to truly create the life you want, you must also be willing to believe that you are worthy of it. So often, people block their own desires because they don't believe they deserve them. This self-limiting belief holds you in a state of lack and scarcity. But the moment you believe that you are worthy of the things you desire, you open the door for them to come into your life. It's also important to trust the process. When you focus on something with true belief and intention, the universe will begin to move in ways you might not even understand. Sometimes, the things you desire will show up in unexpected ways, but if you keep your focus clear and your mind open, you will see how everything unfolds perfectly. As you continue to practice this, you'll start to notice small signs that what you're focusing on is starting to manifest. These signs can come in the form of coincidences, opportunities, or even the shift in how you feel. The more you focus on what you want, the more you'll start to see evidence that it's already on its way to you. But, the key is consistency. You must continue to place your attention on what you desire, day after day, without wavering. If you allow your focus to shift back to doubt or negativity, you'll find that the things you want take longer to materialize. This is why it's so important to be disciplined with your focus. One powerful tool to help with focus is visualization. Take a few minutes each day to sit quietly and visualize your desires as already fulfilled. See yourself living the life you want, feeling the emotions of having everything you desire. The more vivid and real you can make the experience in your mind, the more quickly it will begin to show up in your life. Visualization works because it aligns your mind with the reality you want to create, sending out a clear signal to the universe. You must also be willing to take inspired action. Focusing on your desires isn't about waiting for things to happen on their own, it's about aligning yourself with the opportunities that come your way. As you focus on what you want, you'll begin to notice the right people, resources, and situations appearing before you. When this happens, take action, no matter how small, because every step you take moves you closer to your goal. And as you do this, note that it's not just about attracting things to you. It's about becoming the person who can receive them. When you focus on becoming the best version of yourself, you naturally attract everything you need to support that version. The more you align your focus with your highest self, the more you become a magnet for everything that matches that energy. It's also important to recognize that focusing on what you want requires trust. Sometimes, we focus on our desires, but then doubt creeps in. We wonder if it's really possible or if we deserve it. Doubt will always try to sabotage your focus. But if you can quiet that voice and trust in the process, you'll notice that your focus becomes much clearer, and your desires start moving closer to you. Another critical aspect to highlight is the importance of staying aligned with your focus throughout the day. It's not enough to just focus on your desires during a meditation or for a few minutes in the morning. Your thoughts need to stay consistent with what you want throughout the entire day. Your focus needs to be continuous, whether you're at work, at home, or interacting with others. This means that even when life throws challenges your way, you remain focused on the positive outcome you are attracting. Staying aligned with your focus also means not getting distracted by negativity. We live in a world full of distractions and negative influences, but your ability to stay focused will be your greatest strength. You'll be tested, doubt, fear, and external challenges will always try to pull you off course. But the more you practice staying focused on what you want, the easier it becomes to ignore the distractions and keep moving in the direction of your desires. In conclusion, note that the power of focus is the most potent tool you have to create your reality. The things you focus on, whether good or bad, will come into your experience. So, make sure you are focusing on what you want, not what you fear. Be intentional with your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions. The universe is always listening, and it is always responding to the energy you put out. Focus on abundance. Focus on love. Focus on the life you desire, and it will surely come to you. You have the power within you to create anything you want, just focus on it, believe in it, and watch as it unfolds in your life. The more you practice, the more effortless it will become. The choice is yours. Focus on what you desire, and watch the world around you transform.